I am talking about basic club swinging exercises. This is an exercise that you can do with your hands only. So starting off from the Y position, what you do is palms down, drop using gravity, free drop the straight arm. As you drop, getting closer to your body, I need you to turn your palms into your body, which allows your hand to pass the front plane of your body. At this point, I want you to bend your elbows. At this point, bend your wrists. Drop, hold the thigh plate. Open your chest. Same line as your shoulder and throw out. Out, down, palm facing you, taking the inner plane, vertical plane. Elbow bends, wrist bend, hold the thigh plate. From here, open your chest and pinch your shoulder blades and through. Okay, here we go. Down, in, bend, bend, thigh plate, open your chest, throw. Down, in, elbow, wrist, holding the thigh plate, throw. Down, in, wrist, holding the thigh plate, throw. I will be talking about the two vertical planes when you're swinging clubs. As I turn to the side, you're going to have one vertical plane that is determined by the center of your shoulder, another vertical plane which is determined in front of your body. So two perpendicular to the ground or vertical planes. Okay? As you grab the club, you will be coming down the shoulder plane, switch to the frontal plane. The club should just pass the groin area. From here, elbow, wrist, holding the thigh plates, throw. Down, front, throw. 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 We're going to be talking about the Indian club swing, the in to out club swing swing. Starting off at the Y position, some people call it 10 and 2 position. From here, my palms are down. You do not use muscle to bring it down. You use gravity and just drop. I need you to use gravity, drop the clubs, okay? As you pass the front of your body, focus on the club passing the crotch area. Once you do that, opposite side, you just have to give it a little bit of a forward push, and the clubs will pass very easily. This way. Okay. From here, Y position, drop, gravity, pass. At this point, as you're going up the circle, gravity is going to play with your club rhythm or speed, and you're going to slow down. What happens is by cocking your elbow, you help to bring the clubs back up, cock the wrist, and at this point, your arms should be perpendicular, parallel to the ground. You should look through this diamond. Then open the shoulder blades. Once again, I'm using my shoulder plane. At this point, I'm going to throw the clubs out. Okay, so watch. From here, drop, up, throw, drop, throw, drop, throw, drop, throw. I would like to talk about the Indian club swing using arms, using core, the variations. So this is what you normally see from almost everybody swinging in their clubs. From the wide position, now I want you to watch the next one. Arms, core. What that does is that gives you a greater range of movement of your shoulders as opposed to just using arms. If I'm using arms, I'm not really rotating that shoulder that much. But when I'm using core, I give my shoulders a complete rotation. Okay, that gives you flexibility, rotation. The breathing that I do gives you circulation. That's a proper way to use your Indian clubs, the roller clubs. Next topic is a topic that not many Indian club swingers or exercise people know about. And I'm talking about Indian club swinging to maximize circulation and chi flow within the body. Why do you want to do that? That gives you maximum oxygen penetration into your body. The releasing of your chi gives you an extension. Therefore, what happens is your blood flows a lot better. How do you do that? To start off with that, you should always breathe through the nose. Breathe into your nose. As you breathe into your nose, all the silica in your nose and the mucous membrane and all of that will warm the air going into your lungs. So you don't have this cold or hot air from the outside reaching your warm lungs. In the process of going into your lungs, it warms it, and therefore you get a better saturation of oxygen into your lungs. So breathe into your nose, tongue touches the top of your palate. Tan Tien, or Japanese say hara. Tan Tien is Chinese. Comes out. Breathe into your nose, touch the top of your palate with your tongue. Stomach comes out. Exhale, open your mouth, exhale. Stomach comes in. So you release your tongue, exhale to your mouth, stomach comes in. The last part of this is a kegel. Women, when you give birth, you always taught to learn how to do a kegel. What is a kegel for men? Kegel is basically holding your peak. So what that does is that finishes the core, holding of your core. So from here, breathe into your nose, touch the top of your palate, stomach comes out, right? Exhale to your mouth, stomach goes in, okay? If you learn to breathe that way, it's extremely difficult to do that. Like I said, most of us only are hands familiar. When you learn to do that, you're going to find that you're going to mentally feel better, you'll be more alert, the circulation in your blood is going to be much better. In fact, what happens is skin color changes, blood pressure goes down, your mind gets much more settled, okay? So, try it. I think you will be surprised.